Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So I wanted to give the Kylie Jenner palette a second chance, the Halloween palette, because the first time I wasn't too crazy about it. So I created this cut crease, very easy to do. My mom challenged me to do this because she had also bought the Halloween palette and she wasn't too crazy about it either, so we decided to give it another chance. So I'll insert a picture of her look right here. And this is mine, same palette. Hope you guys love it. If you want to see how I achieved this, it's a really fast video. And just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Glam Fam. Insert that intro right now. I love you guys. Peace.
I just want to show you off. I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?